Here is a quick overview of the observational study on hormone replacement therapy and healthy aging. In this study, we will look at how hormone replacement therapy, or testosterone replacement therapy, plays a role in body composition, metabolism, strength, aerobic fitness, and immune function in older adults. During this study, you will complete one single visit that requires approximately 2 to 3 hours. During this visit, you will read and sign a consent form, confirm eligibility requirements with the research team, complete a DEXA scan, resting metabolic rate assessment, measurements for your grip strength and lower body strength, a cycling VO2 max or aerobic capacity test, and have your blood drawn. If you are 50 years of age or older, generally healthy, have a BMI between 18 and 29.9, and you complete a 2 to 3 hour visit, you may be eligible for this study. You do not need to be taking HRT or TRT to qualify for this study, as we are also recruiting healthy control participants that are not undergoing any hormone or testosterone replacement therapies. How do you benefit? You will receive a $25 compensation. You will also gain valuable information about your current fitness and health status with detailed analysis on body composition, muscular strength, cardiovascular fitness, and resting metabolic rate. Along with the compensation and valuable information, you will also be contributing to science. If this sounds interesting to you, email us at EPNL@lindenwood.edu or fill out the pre-screening form on this website.